Hello, I'm the Bento Buster and today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-minute microwavable bento. And I will be taking the recipe from this book, Super Quick Microwavable Bentos. And this is the bento that I want to make for you today. It looks yummy and is very straightforward. Chicken thighs and a marmalade sauce with bell peppers and rice. So of course to start off you're going to need some chicken thighs and some bell peppers. In my bowl I have 100 grams of bell peppers, sliced and prepped and ready to go. And this is 100 grams of chicken thighs cut into small chunks. Okay, to start off I'm going to season the bell peppers with a little bit of salt and pepper. And next I'm going to add a wee bit of sesame oil. A wee dash is all you need because this stuff can be pretty potent. And be sure to give it a good mix to make sure that everything's incorporated. Now I am following the recipe the best that I can, but from time to time I might make a few modifications just to give it more of a Bento Buster feel. Okay, now that's done, so let's turn our eyes to the chicken thighs. First in goes 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next a teaspoon of ginger. And half a teaspoon of potato starch. And if you don't have that, cornstarch will do just fine. And now it's time for the orange marmalade. It's orangey, zesty, sweet and vibrant with a hint of bitterness. Yummo! And 1 tablespoon should be enough. Okay, and that's all we need to make our marinade, so now it's time to give it a good mix. Alright guys, we are set. The next step is to transfer everything to microwavable safe bowls. Seal them up with some plastic wrap, then microwave them together along with the rice. The bell peppers and chicken will take 4 minutes to cook and the rice will only take 2 minutes. So midway, chuck in the rice and everything will finish on time together. And during the downtime while it's cooking, you can party with your pets like it's 1999. The 4 minutes are up and we are back in business. My bento box is also prepared and ready to go. So what are we waiting for? Let's fill it up and add the final touches. Let's begin by adding the bell peppers. And I'll just give them a quick mix to make sure they're nicely coated with their lovely natural juices. Okay guys, and now it's time for the marmalade chicken. And we want that chicken totally covered with that lovely marmalade sauce, so give it a good mix too. Now that looks really succulent and juicy. Can't wait to get stuck in. And it only took 4 minutes in the microwave, can you believe it? So guys, what do you think? And remember, it only took 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the microwave. Now in the photo, I think there's some green furikake on top of the rice. But unfortunately, I do not have any, so this is my alternative. That's right, black sesame seeds to the rescue. I'm just going to sprinkle them on like this, and then it's time for, guess what? Come on, have you guessed it? It's a bit of a no-brainer. Yep, that's right, it's Umeboshi time. And these ones are shiso flavoured, so how about that? They're salty, they're sour, they're fruity, and they're actually very good for you. Oh, and as I mentioned, these ones are actually very shiso leafy. And ta-da! All of the finishing touches are in place. And there you have it, a very quick and easy Japanese style bento in no time at all. It's a nice wee meal with all bases covered, I think. Veggies and protein, carbs and fruit and seeds. What more can you ask for? Well, a Snickers bar maybe? And I'm sure we can add that later for dessert. Okay, enough talking, let's try out this chicken. And I tell you what, this chicken is a winner. It's succulent and full of flavour. I can confirm that this microwavable bento is a goodie. So guys, if you're in a hurry and looking for a healthy bento that is also economical, then this might just be the bento for you. And remember, there's only 4 minutes of cooking time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course there's a prep time, but hey, let's not talk about that, eh? Thanks for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, a Kiwi in Japan, and I'll see you next time. Kia kaha, stay strong and stay safe.